Alright, so we are on our way to New York City. Look for some New York pizza, some Nintendo stuff, and video games, and Pokemon. So, we got all day in the city. We'll see what happens. Alright, officially in the Big Apple. What's the first stop? Marvel. We gotta look for some Marvel socks for the wedding. Superhero theme. Hopefully find a Nintendo store. And hopefully find some good food. We'll see. It's gonna be a lot of walking. Long day.
So I just landed in New York City and I'm so excited to get... Whoa! Hey, I'm walking here! I'm really excited to get...
Listen to me. We don't talk like that. We don't say things like that. You understand? Do you understand?
Okay, sorry. Forget about it! So basically...
This is Midtown Comics. Lives up to the name. Let's see what's upstairs. I didn't say they could make a statue about me here. What the heck? The British are coming. What? Spider Pig? What is this place? We might have to check it out. Rockefeller Plaza, everybody. Good stuff. Hey, another Pikachu. It's actually a cool Pikachu. Definitely a knockoff, but still cool. Some exclusive mugs. I like that. I'm not leaving without something here. Ooh, the new Xenoblade. Nice. I was thinking of getting that. That's actually sick. Oh yeah, here's the Pokemon stuff. I knew it. Got a history of Nintendo. Oh, gotta take a picture with Pikachu. That's a must. Yo, all right. All my money's gonna go here. That's perfect for my cooking streams. Just kidding. This is just a sleeping plush. The Gengar is pretty sick. So much Pikachu. Eevee the Beloved. Yo. Nice. Aw, Slowpoke. Dude, there's so much cool stuff here.
Oh, Michael, they have to.
Like a Pikachu and a Charizard outfit. This might have to be a done deal right here. Future. Look at those yams. Mama. Sorry, I'm gonna edit up the audio on this. So we are currently on our way to Albany, New York. Trying to look for some things to do. Hopefully I find some Pokemon, Nintendo, and video game content. Hey, we made it to Albany. This is the first monument we see. Looks great. Look at that. Some sort of giant Pokemon over there. Not sure which one that is. So here we are, Albany, New York. I think that building behind us is where all the government people do stuff. All the government people do government stuff right there. And in front we have Mr. Washington. You might recognize him from the dollar. He's a true American hero. And that's all you need to see from Albany. So, in Chicago we have the magical bean, the jumbo bean. New York has the egg.
Squidward Tentacles has the fanciest restaurant in Bikini Bottom, and he does not suck eggs.
Philip Henry Sheridan. You know who this guy is? Yeah, me neither. He must have been one of our great presidents, you know. Look at him. Kind of looks like Roosevelt. Maybe that's his nickname.
He's a general.
He's a general. That's pretty beast. He's basically a gym leader in Pokemon. Alright. Okay, in the middle of nowhere, New York. Looking at a Walmart for some cards. We got a whole display of Pokemon Go. That's kind of cool. Might have to pick some of these up. Never opened these. I got plenty available. Got the Darkness Ablaze and Battle Style combo, Fusion Strike, and Vivid Voltage, it looks like. Haven't seen these in a while, but not really gonna pick these.